Okay, in this lesson we're going to build file system for the project. For that I'm going to use Terminal, but feel free to use any other software or just a Finder to create your files and directories. But I do recommend using Terminal if you're Mac user because it comes with very handy Linux commands, and those are very quick and easy to navigate between files, delete, and you can even install software using Terminal itself. So it is very powerful tool. Maybe you're not aware of that just yet. So let me start doing our files. So first command I'm going to use is called pwd. It tells you where you are, and at this point we're in project structure where you want to be. To go one level down, it needs to use cd double dots, and now it tells you that we are one level down. To come back, I'm going to use cd, the name of the file, 1.1, and then you can use tab to reveal the rest of the name. So we come back where you were before, and we're going to build our structure. So the first command I'm going to use is called touch for creating files, and the file I'm going to create is index.html. Then I'm going to use shortcut for touch, is this arrow looking sign, and then I'm going to build routes.js. Perfect. And now I'm going to create directories. The command is mkdir, make directory, and first one's going to be assets, up arrow just to come back to the last command, and then Control W to delete the last word of the command. And I'm going to create now routes template. This is the place where we're going to keep our templates for the routes, as the name implies. Right, that's everything created. Also, we need style sheet. So let me create one, style sheet. And I think that's it at this point. We're going to create some more templates inside the route template. So cd routes template. Perfect. And we're going to create user first one. So touch create user HTML. Then I'm going to create home one, homepage, home HTML, and then I'm going to create one for login HTML, and last one I'm going to create Instagram profile. I'm going to call it that way. Please use the same names if you follow along, so we're going to be on the same page. Profile like HTML, and also there's a one for YouTube. I'm going to call YouTube videos HTML. Perfect. So we created all the files. They've been listed in our directory in Sublime Text. So when you go inside here, and now for the index page, I'm going to put down markup. This is simple HTML and markup. It comes with HTML head section, body, and in the head we got 3 scripts, all for Angular, one for router, one for animate. Those are external libraries for Angular. And we've got simple navigation, and this is container. We're going to keep our content for the template. So this has been saved, and throughout the project I'm going to use MUMP, or you can use WAMP for Windows. This is going to help us to navigate this project from localhost, because we're not going to host in anywhere else, only on a local host. So that's very useful for us. So let me start up my MUMP straight away. Preferences, I'm going to go into the directory I'm just created, and final project structure. Perfect. Select OK and start a server. Give it a few seconds, and that should open our localhost page, default MUMP page. It didn't, but we can do it manually. and just type localhost 888, and let's see what's there. We got the markup, and we look at the network and refresh the page. Yeah, all the files have been loading as we expected. Routes, Angular, Animate. Alright, so this is the just the setup for the project. In next lesson we're going to make it much more beautiful. We're going to introduce Bootstrap. So stay tuned. Thank you very much.